Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change background in Snapseed. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Snapseed application in my mobile phone, and we can choose a photo we want to add it or we want to change the background. For instance, I'm going to change the background of this photo, so I'm going to add it to the Snapseed, and after that we're going to go to the tools menu and select double exposure. Okay, and click on this icon guys and add the photo you want to make as background, and I'm going to make this photo as the background of my photo, and then click on this check mark, and after that we're going to click on this icon, select view edits, and then you can draw on the you can click on double exposure and then click on this brush and draw on the background this. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the result, and you can click on the check mark, and once you're ready to save it, you just need to click on export. Oops. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change background in Snapseed. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.